Session, just we had a discussion about operators concept. Almost we are at the end of the operators concept, right? Okay, so now let me talk. There is one special operator. I mean, there are some special operators we discussed already in the last session, right? Have you? I hope you people may remember. Sir, special operators like we covered special operators concept we discussed, right? So like first one we discussed about identity operators. Second one we covered about, have you remembered, right? Identity operator. Second one we discussed about membership operators. Regarding membership operators, like sir, these are the two categories of operators we discussed already. Have you remembered, right? So identity operators, which operators, right? Is under is not. Okay, is A is B or A is not B, like we discussed, right? Membership operators is in operator and not in operator and not in. Okay, these things we discussed, right? Next, after completing that, I hope you may remember that, not I'm not sure, even we discussed about ternary operator also. Are you getting ternary operator also, right? So in Java, in other languages, okay, like CR language, C language, C++ or Java, yes. So the way of using ternary operator is the different, even when compared with the Python, sir. Best example for you, x is equal to, assume that, sir, some condition x is 10 less than 20, question mark 30 colon 40. Sir, this is the Java line. Remember this one, sir. Sir, this code is valid in Java. In Java, this code is valid in Java, sir. If it is the true, then this is the value. If it is the false, then it is the value, right? So if I print system.out.println of x, what is the output by default you are going to get, sir? Sir, is it true or false? Can you please tell? Is it true or false? What the answer we are going to get? True. 10 less than 20, it is the true. If it is the true, then first value. If it is the false, then second value, right? So here something like x is equal to some condition expression. Okay, sir, if it is the true, then automatically first value, yeah, colon. If it is the false, then second value, like this one, right? Okay, we have this type of convention. But in Python, this style got changed, sir. Sir, whatever I discussed, sir, this is related to Java. But in Python, what is the syntax for ternary operator? Anyone, can you please remind once? In the last session, we covered already. Anyone, can you please remind once? Yes. Anyone, can you please spell out what is the syntax for? What is the syntax? What is the syntax for? What is the syntax? Very simple. The condition is x is equal to first value if condition. Are you getting? F is equal to first value if condition, else second value. Second value. Observe that this is the syntax, right? So, sir, if a condition will come in the middle. If this condition is satisfied, then we require to consider first value. If this condition is the fails, then we require to consider second value. Remember this one, sir. If this first condition is satisfied, then automatically, if the condition is satisfied, first value, else second value. Something like you never going to feel that it is a program line. It is the programmatic instruction, normal English statement, man. X is equal to first value if condition, else second value, like. But this one is nothing more, parenthesis, question mark, colon. Sir, seems to be this is the programming code, but this one is the normal general English. Remember that is the biggest specialty of Python, right? Remember. Sir, now let me go for a small example for you so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Just observe. Let me take test.py. I'm taking here. Just have a look once, sir. A comma b is equal to 10 comma 20. I'm taking, sir. A comma b is equal to 10 comma 20. Can you please tell what the value of a? Yes, man. What is the value of a? A value is the 10. What is the value of b? What is the value of b? 20. Okay, like so. Do you know in other languages? You can't do like this. Are you getting? In Java, you can't do like that. A is equal to 10. Next b is equal to 20. Like this, we have to take, sir. Not only like this, sir. You can take a comma b comma A comma B comma C comma D comma E is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50, like you can able to take. So first value, A value by default will be assigned. Do you know A value by default is 10, B value itself is nothing but 20, C value is nothing but 30, D value is the 40, and the E value is the 50 by default you are going to get. Observe that how much convenient, how much easy in the Python you people can able to see, sir. Sir, now I'm taking A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. We have, sir, X is equal to 30. X is equal to 30. If A less than B, sir, if A less than B, else 40 I'm taking. Else 40 I'm taking. Can you please let me print of X value? Sir, what is the output by default you are going to get? Yes, the same. Sir, is this condition is the true or false? A less than B, 10 less than 20. This condition is the false. If so, true. If this condition is the true, then the first value will be considered. So that's why 30 is the output by default you are going to get, sir. Now have a look once, sir. Sir, here py test dot py I'm taking. What is the output by default you are going to get, sir? True. 30 by default you are going to get. Clear, right? Sir, I hope everyone can able to understand. Sir, what is the syntax of ternary operator? How you can able to use like this, right? Sir, do you know, I most of the times even in other languages also, sir, this operator is not that much commonly used operator, sir. So I don't know the reason. Most of the people are going to use if else, this type of terminology, sir, conditional operator, very rare the people are going to use, but more handy operator, very easy to use operator, very easy operator, conditional operator, sir. It reduces length of the code like anything. Even in Java also, highly recommended to use this conditional operator. Best example, here let me go for a small chota example so that you will get some more much clarity about this one. So write a program. I want to write a small program to read the two numbers from the keyboard. Write a program to read two numbers from the keyboard and print minimum value. Regarding, can you please print its minimum value, right? So write a program to read the two numbers, from the keyboard and print minimum value. Minimum value. This is about my requirement, right? How you can able to do that, sir? After completing this, sir, operators concept, next third topic is input and output only. How you can read, how you can print, but the minimum basic idea to read the data from the keyboard, somewhere we discussed already. We are keep on using even in every session. Okay, don't feel, sir, that topic not yet covered. Okay, like, sir, we are keep on using anyway, right? Sir, now in detail we will discuss in the next topic, sir. Don't worry about that. Sir, my requirement is, can you please read two numbers from the keyboard? So A is equal to input of enter first number. Number like this I'm taking, sir. Enter first number. Sir, now the problem with this line is, whatever data you are reading from the keyboard, it is always going to be available in the form of string. I want to convert into value because, sir, I'm expecting number. That's why let me take int of inbuilt function. Int I'm going to use. Okay. Now the provided string will be converted into int type. This is the first. Similarly, sir, enter second number. Are you getting right? B enter second number. Are you getting? Enter second number. First one is the A, second one is the B, right? Okay. Now, what is my requirement? Can you please print what is the minimum value, right? Sir, do you know if A is less than B? Can you please tell? I don't want to use ternary operator. What about your code, sir? If A is less than B, print minimum value is nothing but A. Else print can you spell out, sir? Else print minimum value is nothing but B. Something like you have to print. Okay, sir. If else, how much code we require to write? But this nonsense we can able to remove, sir. Okay, sir. What's about my requirement is min is equal to sir. If here just if A is less than B, correct or not? If A less than B, then A is the minimum value. Else B, sir. Okay, that's all. Else B. Okay, A, if A is less than B, sir, if A value is smaller than B, then okay, A. Otherwise B, sir. Okay. Now print the minimum value. Okay, minimum value is okay. Just print the min. That's all. A simple example, sir. How much code we require to write? One line is going to decide which is the minimum value. Everyone can able to understand, right? Now you can able to see what is the use of this ternary operator, right? Okay. Now have a look once. Let me run this code. Have a look once. Let me run. Enter first number. First number I'm taking some 100. Enter second number 50. I'm taking. Enter second number 50. I'm taking. Can you please tell what is the minimum number? Minimum number is 50. Have you observed? Minimum value is 50, like this, right? Sir, next first time 10. First time 100 I'm taking. Second time 200 I'm taking, sir. Then automatically minimum value is 100. Perfectly it's going to work. Don't keep any doubt at all. Are you getting? Sir, that's all. This is the small chota code. This is the small chota code. Like, sir, now if A is equal to B, what will happen, sir? Very simple. Very simple. According to our logic, if A is equal to B, sir, this condition is satisfied or not satisfied? Basuraj, this condition is satisfied or not satisfied? Not satisfied. If this condition is not satisfied, then automatically B is the value. So if both are equal, sir, which one is the minimum? Both are equal. Which one is the minimum? Anything is the minimum only. Are you getting? Anything is the minimum only, like or otherwise. So both, any number. So 10 I'm taking, then it's going to print minimum value that 10. Clear? Even in that particular case also, it is going to be satisfied. No problem at all. Clear? Up to this, any doubt? Okay. Next, even nesting of ternary operator is possible, sir. Is possible. Happily, you are allowed to use nesting. Nesting of ternary operator is possible, sir. Within the ternary operator, you can use another ternary operator. No problem at all. Acceptable. Okay. Now, let me go for a small chota program to demonstrate that, sir. But anyway, nesting of ternary operators is possible. Ternary operator is possible. So, inside the ternary operator, you are allowed to use one more ternary operator. Itself is acceptable. Sir, can you please explain with a small example, like you may ask? Very, very simple, sir. I want to give two numbers from the keyboard. Three numbers from the keyboard. Can you please find the minimum value of these three numbers, right? Sir, if you want to find the minimum value of these three numbers, then automatically, do you know, without using ternary operator, a bigger code we require to write. Correct, right? Okay. So if A is less than B, else A is greater than B, something like if L is, and so on, we require to write. But here, one line conditional operator is going to decide whether it is which one is the minimum value, right? Sir, what I will take is very, very simple, sir. If A less than B and A less than C. Observe that A value is less than B and A value is less than C. Then automatically, can you please tell what is the value? A is the value, sir. If this total condition satisfied, A is less than B, A is less than C, then automatically what about its value? A is the value, right? Okay. Else, here see this one. Else now again, sir, this is the second value. How you can able to get second value is again you require to check. Sir, already if A is the minimum, already decided here. If the control is coming to else part means so compulsory the minimum value should be B or C. Okay, remember that. If this condition already checked, sir. If this condition is satisfied, A is already minimum. Okay, that's all. The control never comes to else part. If the control is coming to else part means A is not a minimum. Then which one is the minimum? Either B or C is the minimum. Now you require to check if B less than C. If B less than C, then B is the value, else C is the value. Observe that, else C is the value. Like now, let me write else B. If B less than C, else C is the value. Are you in a position to understand, right? Sir, observe that only one line is going to decide which is the minimum value, right? Now observe a bit very carefully, sir. This is first value. This is the condition, sir. If this condition is satisfied, A less than B and A less than C, then A is the minimum value. Else, sir, else, this total thing is second one. Else, sir, if this condition fails, then this is the value. But how this value will be evaluated? Again, I'm using conditional operator. If this condition is satisfied, B is the minimum value, else C is the minimum value. Now my point is, this is one conditional operator, I mean ternary operator. Next, this ternary operator we are using in this main ternary operator. Nesting of ternary operator is possible or not? Yes, no problem at all. Sir, are you feeling comfortable about this line? Anyone feeling difficulty to understand this one? Yes. Are you feeling comfortable or any difficulty to understand this code? What there inside? Normal English statement. Array, check this condition. If A value is the less than B, A value is the less than C, this condition satisfied, then A is the minimum value. Sir, if this condition fails, means A is not minimum, it may be B or maybe C. How to decide whether it is the B or not? Again, I will check a condition. If this condition is satisfied, B is the value, else C is the value, right? Okay, that's all. So, AND operator, what is that? Sir, it is AND. No. Sir, this is AND. We should not use AND operator. If you are going to use AND operator, what it means is, do you know, Boolean? What we call bitwise complement operator, something like it may do. No problem at all. This one is the correct. Devendra Kumar, happily you can use this one. Okay, now let me cross check, sir. Okay, enter three numbers I want to read from the keyboard. C is equal to enter third number. Okay, total 3 numbers it's going to take. Now minimum is equal to, can you please guide, sir? I forgot. Can you please guide? Yes, Prithvi, I tried in some last batch somewhere. I tried this one. what is the code? Whatever you wrote the code, I tried this type of style also. Okay, some people may feel A less than B less than C. If A is less than B, less than C. Next one after that, B, if B is less than C, else C is the answer. Something like, sir, else, okay, else, like, sir, I tried this type of code. But there is a small bug is there in this. It won't work always. Prithvi, there is a logical mistake is there. If you can able to trace, definitely this code is going to fail in particular case. Okay, remember, you just trace that, but anyway, this code is not, it is a buggy code, not recommended to use. There is some problem is there, I'm sure. Okay, last time I used the same code, but anyway, I failed. One particular case, it's not going to satisfy our requirement. Okay, minimum value. Can you please guide the code? What I have to take? A, please respond. A, if, respond. I don't know. I forgot the code. What is the thing I have to take? A is less than B and A is less than C. Okay, if this condition satisfied, A is the minimum value. This total thing is treated as one condition only. Else, what is the minimum value? B. If B is less than C, else C is the answer. Are you getting? Sir, is it valid code or not? Can you please cross check again? So this is my condition. If this condition satisfied, then A is the minimum value. A less than B, A less than C, A is the minimum value. Else, if this condition fails, means A is not minimum, maybe B or C is the minimum. How you can decide? Again, compare B is less than C or not. If B is less than C, B is the value, else C is the value, like that. Okay, minimum value is nothing but mean. Okay, now let me cross check. Sir, I'm taking 30, next 20, next and after that 15 I'm taking, or otherwise 25 I'm taking, sir. Can you please tell what is the minimum value? Minimum value is nothing but 20. Okay, you can give any kind of thing, sir. -10, minus 30, minus 40, minus 100, like this I'm taking. Sir, which one is the minimum value? Among these, which is the minimum value? Respond. Minimum value. Minus 100 is the minimum value, not minus 10. Oi, minus 100 is the minimum value. Minimum value is the minus 100. Sir, can you please observe? Minimum value is minus 100. Remember, this is the code what we have to take, how to read, how to print minimum value, right? So next, this code, this type of style, don't do that. Somewhere definitely there may be a chance wrong, somewhere it is not going to fulfill our requirement. Okay, highly recommended, better to use this approach only, even it is a bit lengthy. So next, I want to find the maximum value. Same condition. Now you can able to change the code. I want max number. Max is equal to a if a greater than b and a greater than c. Sir, if a value greater than b and a value greater than c, if both conditions are satisfied, a is the max value. Else b, if b greater than c, else c is the answer. Now I can use the word instead of minimum, maximum value is the max. Clear, right? Sir, instead of less than symbol, I'm using greater than symbol. Nothing. Sir, now this code is going to identify maximum value of given three numbers. Now observe that same 10, 20, 30. Same 10, 20, 30. Maximum is the 30, sir. Okay, well, sir, same minus 10, minus 20, minus 100, like this I'm taking. Then what is the max value? What is the max value? Minus 10, minus 20, minus 100. What is the max value? Minus 10. Minus 10 is the max value. Perfectly, this logic is going to work. No problem at all, sir. Clear for all, right? Okay. Next, last example. So, how much my intention is, most of the programmers, ternary operator, they are not going to use, right? I don't know the reason. They're always ternary. Oh, it's a confusing operator and so on. Really, if you see the taste of ternary operator, so how much length of the code I can able to reduce? You can observe that. Suppose if you are not going to use this operator, if you want to do if else and so on, then automatically if else, like unnecessary length of the code is going to be increased. Okay, just think a bit carefully. Highly recommended to use these ternary operators, right? Okay, Devendra Kumar, correct. Performance wise, there is no difference at all. Either normal if else, conditional operator, performance wise, both the things, because comparison is always going to be happen in the same style. But only thing is readability. Length of the code is going to be reduced. Readability, more concise code we are going to get. Performance wise, there is no difference at all. You can write either if else, you can write normal this conditional operator also. Clear? Can I go to the next level? Okay. Now one more. No, sir, Sridhar, want to know what is the length, code length increases. Sir, unnecessary if the length of the code is going to increase, readability by default is going to be down. Sridhar, in real time, never recommended to have too much lengthy codes. Okay, highly recommended to have concise code. Suppose best example, man, I want to give you a small material. That material contain only one page. That material contain 100 pages. Hurry, by today evening you have to complete and you have to study, you have to complete. Then which one you are feeling more comfortable? Yes. Yeah, one page, obviously, right? That's why length in real time, readability means length of the code should be as less as possible. But at the same time, understandable. That is also very important. Only one page only one line only. That's why some Greek and Latin I want to write. No, it is understandable. Plus, at the same time, length should be as much as low. Okay. Next, sir, one more beautiful example I will discuss, sir. Now, what my next thing? I covered only minimum value, max value, these kind of things, right? Now, my question is, I don't. I want answers like both are equal. One option, both are equal, sir. Both are equal. Otherwise, first number is greater than second number. Greater than second number. Next, sir, first number is less than second number. Less than second number. this type of, sir, output I want. Are you getting right? So read two numbers, read two number. If I can give 10 comma 20, what my expected answer is? What my expected answers are? First number is less than second number, correct? Sir, if I can provide 10 comma 10, then automatically both numbers are equal. Both numbers are equal. This is about my requirement. Suppose 100 comma 10 I'm taking, sir, then automatically first number is greater than second number. So this type of output I want, but very fortunate, you have to return, you have to print by using conditional operator only. Don't use that bloody if else elif such type of terminology. I want to print by using conditional operator only. How you can able to do that? Just have a look once, sir. Here let me both the numbers are equal. Okay, first number is greater than second number. Okay, first number is greater than second number. Sir, first number is lesser than, first number is lesser than second number, right? Okay, just I want to print these statements only. Exactly how you can able to do such. Okay, here see, enter first number, enter second number. Now I got two numbers. Now the remaining is just take a bit very special case. Both are equal. Both are equal. Just aware. First, let me complete the code. Both are equal when you have to return if A is equal to B. Are you getting? If A is equal to B, if this condition satisfied, what I want, sir? Both the numbers are equal. Both numbers are equal. Next, sir, else, what is the option we have? First number greater than second number, first number less than second number. Okay, first number greater than first number greater than second number. First number greater than second number when this condition satisfied if A greater than B. Okay, else first number is smaller, lesser than second number, like this I took, sir. Okay. Have you observed, right? Don't get confused, right? Sir, both numbers are equal if this condition is satisfied. If this condition is satisfied, both numbers are equal. Else, sir, first number is greater than second number. Next, if A greater than B, else first number is less than second number, right? Now this total thing I'm taking inside print statement. Again, total thing I'm taking inside print statement. That's all. The program got completed, right? Just by using only one print, by using only one print, you can able to do that, sir. Okay, how you can do? Here, see, observe that. Yes, enter first number 10, enter second number 20. Sir, can you please observe? First number is less than second number. Clearly, it's going to provide. Okay, enter first number 10, enter second number 10. Both numbers are equal. Sir, now enter first number 10, enter second number, enter second number. Okay, 5. Then automatically first number is greater than second number. Clear? Okay. So now from this discussion, I hope you people should be aware, is it recommended or not recommended to use a ternary operator, sir? Highly recommended. Good programming practice to use conditional operator as much as possible, so that length of the code is going to be reduced, I'm sure. Okay, sir, it's a good programming practice, compulsory, highly recommended to use this operator, right? Conditional ternary operator. But most of the people, they are not in a position to use that. Okay, like now, sir, that's all. With this, almost operators concept got completed, right? All the things we covered, arithmetic operators we covered, relational operators we discussed, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, and special operators. Next, ternary operator also we covered already, right? Okay, what is the next one I have to discuss, right? Sir, something like similar to other languages, even in Python also, operator precedence is there. Are you getting? Operator precedence is there, sir. Operator precedence is there. Sir, now what is the meaning? What is the meaning of operator precedence? Suppose if multiple operators are there, which operator is required to evaluate first? Which operator is required to evaluate first? Print of 10 plus 2 into 3 we have. Can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get now? 10 plus 2 into 3. What is the answer, sir? Respond. 10 plus 2 into 3. Sir, first, which operator is going to be evaluated? Okay, either plus operator or star operator. Highly compulsory, star will be evaluated first. After star, plus operator will be evaluated. Because the reason is, star operator having more precedence than, more priority than plus operator, right? Okay, so 2 into 3 means 6. 10 plus 6 means 16 is the answer. Regarding this, so if I can take a print of 10 into 2 plus 3, or otherwise 10 plus 2 I'm taking, 10 plus 2 into 3 I'm taking, sir. Can you please observe what is the answer by default you are going to get now? Now parenthesis, because of that. Okay, 10 plus 2 will be evaluated first. Okay, 12 into 3 is nothing but 36 we are going to get. So, if multiple operators are there, which operator is required to evaluate is decided by operator precedence. Remember this one, sir, okay? Even in Python also, operator precedence is there. What is the Python's operator precedence? Just observe that. Sir, highest precedence goes to parenthesis, right? If the parentheses are there, then automatically highest precedence goes for that, sir. Parenthesis. If the parentheses are there, highest priority, highest precedence will goes to that only. Sir, that's why it is evaluated first. After parenthesis, what is the next one, sir? Do you know this operator? Array, what is this operator, sir? Respond. What is this operator? Power operator, or otherwise exponential operator, power operator, exponential operator, like you have exponential operator, like, okay? And after that, what is the next operator we have? Bitwise complement operator, and then bitwise complement operator, okay, and the unary minus operator. Sometimes you minus 10, and so on. These operators having next level precedence. Bitwise complement operator, and then unary minus operator, right? Okay. Next, what is the next thing we have to discuss? Okay, star operator, division operator, modulo operator, and then, sir, this floor division operator having next level priority. Remember that, sir. Star operator, division operator, modulo operator, next, sir, like these things are nothing but next level. Okay, and after that, plus operator, minus operator. Sir, arithmetic addition and arithmetic subtraction operation, right? Next, left shift operator, right shift operator. Left shift operator, right shift operator. Next, bitwise and operator. Next, bitwise XR operator. Next, bitwise R operator. Bitwise and operator, XR R operator, right? Next, relational operators. Sir, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Next, equality operators, double equal, okay, less than or equal to. Next, equality operator, not equal, like these operators are having next priority, right? Remember that. Okay, next, assignment operators. I hope you people may aware, we covered, right? Sir, equal, plus equal, next minus equal, like assignment operators having the next precedence, right? Sir, next after that is, comma, is not. Next, in comma, not in. Membership operators, in comma, not in. Next, logical and operator, logical not operator. Next, and operator. Next, R operator. Are you getting? Like this is the, Sir, Python's precedence chart. Just for the syllabus coverage purpose only, we are covering. Don't worry much about that. Okay. But anyway, if you are having basic idea, there is some operator precedent chart is there. Based on that, operators are going to be evaluated. Like you people should aware, sir. Okay. Sir, these are things, sir. This is the operator precedence. Highest priority, parenthesis. Next priority, power operator. Next one, sir. Okay, this is the bitwise complement operator or unary minus operator. Next priority. Next priority, sir. So from like star, okay, like division and so on. Next plus and minus. Next shift operators. Next and after that and logical and XOR operator like bitwise operators like next relational operators like these are the things. Sir, all these operators left associative only. If multiple operators with the same precedence is there, they are going to be evaluated from left to right. Remember that, sir. Sir, all operators. Suppose A plus B plus C plus D is there, sir. A plus B plus C plus D is there. So there are 3 plus operators are there. First, which plus operator? Leftmost. After completing that, next to this one. After completing that, next to this one. By default, left to right associative. Nandakishore, correct. Okay. That's all. These are the things what you should aware, right? Okay. So in Python, operator precedence is there. Now let me go for a small chota example so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Sir, A comma B comma C comma D is equal to A B C D is equal to 30 I'm taking, 20 I'm taking, 30 20, 10 I'm taking, 5 I'm taking. Sir, what is the meaning of this? You know. What is the meaning of this line? I hope you people may aware. What is the A value? What is the A value? 30, B value 20, C value 10, and D value is equal to 5. Okay, like now my requirement is print of just I'm expecting A plus B into C by D. A plus B into C by D I'm taking, sir. Okay. Next, the second one I'm expecting A plus B into C by D. Next, the third one, sir, A plus B into C. A plus B into C by D I'm taking. Can you please count what is the output we are going to get in the first case, second case, third case? Yes, according to our precedence. Can you please count? Can you please evaluate what is the first value, what is the second value, third value? Don't tell exact answer I want. Don't tell wrong answer. Think a bit very carefully and then tell the answer. Just I'm not asking about general. I want this is the output I want, like no. Exact system printing output I want. Because you people are missing some point. Okay, good Nandakishore. You are in the correct track. But all the remaining people, not up to the mark. Forget about second and third. First print statement only. Can you please tell the answer? First print statement only. Can you please tell the answer? I want only first print statement. Lavanya, Avinash, Sridhar. Good. Srinu in the correct track. Akash, good. Gausia ma'am, can you please cross check again? Devendra Kumar, can you please cross check again? What is the output by default we are going to get? I want only first one. What is the answer in the first case? Okay, that's all. Now evaluate, sir. Most of the people are going to feel 100 is the answer. Most of the people are going to feel 100 is the answer. First one, 100 is the answer. No, 100.0 is the answer. Remember that, because division is there. Division operator always going to provide. Okay, is floating point value only. Don't forget that point. Sir, now anyway, here which value will be evaluated first? Sir, parenthesis is there. Highest priority for this one only. A plus B is nothing but 30 plus 20. Its value is the 50. Okay, first it is evaluated. Under then C. C value is nothing but 10. Next and after that, division 5. Remember. Now, star operator is there, division operator is there. Both are having the same precedence. Then left to right. Then left to right. What about its value? First left, 500. 500 by 5. Next, remaining only one operator is there. What about its values are 100.0 is the first answer. Clear? Any explanation is required? 100.0 itself is the first value. Sir, some people are telling 80, some people are telling 240, something like, I don't know the reason how it is going to come. Okay. Next, second one, sir. Observe a bit carefully. Second one. Oh, parentheses are there, sir. Here parenthesis is there. Here also parenthesis is there. So first left, A plus B is nothing but 50. 50. A plus B is nothing but 50 into C by D. Sir, 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means 2.0. So first this parenthesis and then this parenthesis, right? 50 into 2.0 is nothing but 100.0 again. Are you getting? Second one is 100.0 again. Okay. Next, third one, sir. Third one, A plus B into C by D. Sir, A plus B into C. In this case, first B into C will be evaluated. What is the value of B into C? B into C, 20 into 10. What about its value, sir? 200. First, this one will be evaluated. Next, A means 30 plus 200 by D means 5. Now, sir, plus operator, division operator. Then automatically, so this one will be evaluated first because division having more precedence. That's why 30 plus 200 by 5. Sir, 5 for 40.0. 40.0. So 30 plus 40.0. What about its values are 70.0. Remember this one. What is the answer? 70.0. So 100.0, 100.0, 70.0 is the output we have to get, sir. Let me cross check. Correct? Clear? That's all. This is about what is the operators concept, sir. Next, related to the operators, a small chota concept I have to add. What is that concept? Is math module. Are you getting that? There is one concept I have to discuss. Math module. Can you please observe that? What is this one? Ray, what is this one? Please respond. What is this word? Ray, respond, man. Visible, right? What is this word? Module. Sir, which module? So math module. So do you know in the Python, sir, everything we require to talk in terms of modules, modules, right? Sir, if any functionality I want, then import that module, use that. Import that module, use that. This is a very common requirement, sir. In the next, whenever our class is going on next level, import that module, import this module, like we are always going to use. Sir, module. Don't feel module is nothing, sir. Sir, this is one module. Assume that. Sir, in this module, this is here observe. I'm taking A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, D, E, F, F1 I'm taking, D, E, F, F1 I'm taking. Next and after that print hello, I'm taking hello. This is F1 function. I'm taking. Next and after that D, E, F, F2. Print hello. This is F2 function. This is F2 function. Like I'm taking. Next and after that class. Okay, class student I'm taking. Class student class, right? Okay, name roll number, like name is equal to some 100 something like I'm taking. Name is equal to Durga something like I'm taking. Next and after that roll number is equal to 101 something like I'm taking, sir. 101 like. Sir, have you observed, right? If you observe, what is the name of this file I used? Test.py. If you observe that, what is the name I used, right? Test.py. Next, in this test.py, two variables are there, two functions are there, and then a class is available, sir. This total thing is by default considered test module. Remember this one, sir. This total thing is by default considered as test module. Observe that a bit very carefully, sir. This total itself is nothing but test module. Like now, my question is, sir, now I hope you people may have one word module. What is module? From this discussion, can you please tell? Sir, I'm using it is a module, test module. Like what is the module, sir? Module is nothing but a group of variables, functions, classes saved to a file. Remember this one, sir. A group of functions, classes, variables saved to a file. Saved to a file is nothing but module. Don't tell it is a package. Package is nothing but a group of modules. Regarding package is nothing but what? A group of modules. A group of modules, related modules is nothing but package. Package is the next level word. A group of packages is nothing but library. Remember that, okay? But here, module is nothing but one Python file. That Python file contains a group of variables, a group of functions, a group of classes, like that. Everyone got clarity? Yes? Okay, because in the next classes onward, several times I'm going to use module, like you should don't ask what is module, sir. Module is nothing but a small Python file which contain a group of variables, a group of classes, a group of functions. If any person required these variables and functions, import that module and use that. Okay, luckily we are going to discuss modules as a separate topic. It is there, sir. Packages is a separate topic. Modules is a separate topic, functions is a separate topic. There I will discuss in detail. Just aware up to that, sir. Okay, now yes, maybe because we are using the what it is the open source, right, Sanket, we can able to see the source code of the module. Just check the possibility, because Python is the open source, right? The libraries maybe you can able to see the code. Okay, next, sir, one module can have multiple classes. Yes, Amit, any number of classes, any number of variables, any number of functions by default available inside a module. Okay, now, sir, like this, math is also one module. Math is also one module that contains several functions and variables which can be used to perform mathematical operations. Regarding that, sir, it's a very common requirement. It's a very common requirement, square root function. It's a very common requirement, square root of 4 I want to find. Next one after that, it's a very common requirement, sir, min value, max value I want to find. Next, sir, what is the pi value? What is the pi value? Like you have several mathematical related constants, mathematical related functions we require in our Python frequently. Sir, where the required mathematical functions and variables are available inside math module. Okay, if you want to use that module, import and start using. That's all, sir. How you can able to import a module? Remember that, just like Java import statement only. Import which module? Math module. Module name. Import which modules are? Module name. Okay, like sir, math is something like name of the module. Test. Within this file, okay, you have square root function is there. Next, and after that, pi variable is there. Math function is available. Max function, min function, like there are several functions are there, sir. Once we import any module, all the members related to that module, happily we are allowed to use in my program. Remember that. Math module is the Python's inbuilt module. We are not required to write that module. Already predefined module, already available. Being a programmer, just you can use that module. Okay. Now, just I'm taking, sir, how you can able to use. Sir, here in this test.py, I want to perform some mathematical operation. Very simple. Import math module. Sir, once you import math module, automatically, do you know all the functions and variables by default available, right? Now I'm taking print of math dot square root of 4 I'm taking. Math dot square root of 4 I'm taking, sir. Next, math dot pi value. Regarding math dot pi value, right? Math dot square root of 4, math dot pi value, like sir, one variable I'm accessing and one function I'm accessing. Let me run this code. Happily, do you know What is the output by default? We are going to get 2.0. Square root of 4. Square root function is always going to return float value only. Next, pi value. You know, right? Pi r square, something like pi value. We are always going to use in the mathematics. Pi. Okay, pi value. So 3.14 and so on. Itself is like clear. Up to this, any doubt? Yes, man. Are you getting the basic idea? What is module? Are you getting basic idea? What is module? Okay, like now the point here is, the point here is, take a bit very special case, sir. So now here there are multiple things are available. Just a matter of overview I'm going to provide, so that in the modules concept we will discuss in detail, right? Sir, if you want to access square root, how you are accessing, sir? Math.square root. If you want to access pi, how you are accessing? Math.pi. Okay, like everywhere I'm always using which words are math dot like a module name it is required to use, sir. So there is one small chota concept is there for you. What the point is, if you want, you can create alias name. Are you getting right? If you want, you can create alias name for your module. Okay, no problem. Array math 4-letter word I'm feeling a bit difficult to use. Instead of that, simple you can use m. Instead of that, you can use m. M is the short word. How you can create alias? Okay, import math as m. Remember this one, sir. Import math as m. Okay, can you please import math module with the name m? Then you are not required to use math m dot. Okay, this is called the module aliasing. Are you getting what is the meaning of alias? Alias is nothing but duplicate name, dummy name. Are you getting? So alias name, especially terrorists, Maoists, these people are having some alias names. Heroines also having some alias names. Are you getting? Their original names are different, screen names are different most of the times. Heroes, heroines, like sir, their alias is nothing but some dummy name, duplicate name, like this, right? Sir, what is the original name? Hey, respond, man. What is the original name? Math. What is the dummy name? What is the dummy alias name? M. Are you getting? Like sir, now here have you observed, right? 2.0, 3.14. Perfectly, it's going to work, no problem at all. Now I have one small doubt. Anyway, in the next modules concept, I will discuss much more. But remember that I have one small doubt. What is my doubt? Yes, can you please tell, if I'm keeping import math as m, can I use still math name or not? Array import math as m I took, sir. Can I use still math name? Okay, sir, I don't want to use alias name. I want to use original name only. Acceptable or not? Think a bit logical. Acceptable or not? Yes. Is it acceptable or not? Almost out of 100, 90% of the people are telling. 90% of the people are telling wrong answer. 90% of the people are telling wrong answer. Take a bit very special care. Sir, once we created alias name, in that program, you should use alias name only. Original name no longer valid. Original name no longer available. Remember that. By mistake, if you are using math word, array, what is the meaning of math? What is the meaning of math? Like my Python is going to ask, because already available as alias name. Okay, can you please observe the name math is not defined. Are you getting at which line math.square root? Name math is not defined. Compulsory, we should use alias name only. Remember, clear? Okay, that's all. So this is about it's wrong design. Then Purushottam, no, don't feel that. Don't feel it is the wrong design. Okay, you are already telling, sir, I want a math module. Yes, m. Sir, already alias name is available. Already alias name is available, still I want to use original name only. Now my question is, if you want to use original name, why you are created alias name? Regarding Python simply is going to ask, Are Durga pagal ho gaya? Pagal? You are asking alias name, but still if you want to use original name, mind is not working, something that Python is going to ask me, man. Are you able to understand? No response, man, from the people. Are you able to understand? So alias name. If alias name is defined, then why you are asking about original name? You should not. Okay, like if you want to use original only, then why you are asking about alias name? Alias name. That's why is the problem. Clear for all of you, right? That's all. Next, clear. I hope not required to keep any explanation up to that module aliasing. Next, one more thing is there, sir. Even you created alias name also. Always we should access by using module name, either original name or alias name. You should use module name only. Sir, I don't want this bloody m dot or math dot. Directly I want to access this. Something like static import in Java, Devendra Kumar. Something like static import in Java. Is there any such type of facility? Is there or not? Yes, excellent facility is available, sir. What is that facility? Is from math import okay, star import sqrt. Oh, from math module, can you please import sqrt? From math module, can you please import sqrt? Then happily you can use sqrt directly. Okay, then you are not allowed to use pi. Because you are keeping import only for sqrt. Observe that. Sir, where is the pi? The problem is coming. That's why instead of square root, you can take star. Acceptable. Instead of sir, that you can use a star, no problem at all. Acceptable. Okay, acceptable. Like sir, instead of star, if you want, you can take square root comma pi also. No problem. You can take like this. Clear? Sir Abjan, how much flexibilities are there in the Python about this? Because first time while learning, you may feel a bit difficult, but slowly, if you are habitizing, then more comfortable, because your hand is always going for more optimal kind of thing only. Next, sir, this bloody square root pi also I don't want. Then automatically, from math import square root, yes, A, and pi, yes, B. Okay, pi, yes, B. Okay, now square root is no longer available A, and then pi is no longer available B. Are you getting right? A4 B, A4 and B. Like this one also you can able to use this, sir. Okay, have a look once perfectly. This one is going to work. Clear? Okay, every time you are feeling, sir, you are telling the same output only, like you may feel. Okay, A of 16. A of 16. A of 16 means which one, son? Square root of 16. Square root of 16 means 4.0 we have to get. 4.0 we have to get. Correct? 4.0, 3.14 and so on. That's all. These are various important things related to the math module. Clear? Okay, sir, math actually mathematical operations purpose, but how you can use math modules concept, maybe in the modules I will discuss all these loopholes, right? Don't worry about that. Sir, in Python math module is there to define several mathematics related functions. Sir, the following are various important functions related to math module. Okay, related to math module, the following are various important functions, right? Seal of x, seal of x. Next one after that, floor of x value, seal value, floor. Next, the power of x comma y, sir, x power y, if I want to identify. Next, factorial of x, factorial of x. What is the factorial of x? Next one after the truncation of x. Next one after the GCD of x, somewhere in the at our childhood, greatest common divisor, LCM, GCD, like we covered in our mathematics, right? Okay, sine value, sine of x. Next one after that, cos of x, sine 90. What the value? Sine 90 is sine 90. What about its value? 1. Cos 0. Cos 0 is nothing but 1. Cos 90, 0. Sin 0 0, something like in our mathematics, right? Okay, tan value, like you can able to do that, like dot dot dot. Several functions by default available. All these functions happily you are allowed to use related to the math. Okay, remember that. Next, in math module, there are some variables are also available. Can you please observe pi? Already I used what about its values are 3.14. Okay, I used already. E means log E. Okay, E means sir, what about its value? 2.71. Okay, E is also one constant which is available in the mathematics related things. INF means to represent infinity. To represent infinity. Next, NaN is a nothing but, sir, not a number, not a number. These are four constants which are available in the math module. Remember, pi value, E value, INF value, NaN, like there are several things are available, right? Sir, what is the next one? Here observe, my requirement is a small program I want to take. Sir, read the radius of circle. For the circle only radius is available, right? Ayo, remember, man, radius concept is applicable for circle. Assume that this is the circle. Assume it is the circle. Like, do you know, sir, which is the radius, right? From the central point, this one is by default considered radius. Have you remember, right? This is by default considered radius, R. Then automatically, what is the area of this circle? Pi r square. At our childhood, somewhere we covered, man. Okay, so the square of the circle A, pi r square. R itself is nothing but radius. Okay, like now my question is, read the radius of circle from the keyboard, and print its area. And print its area. This is about my requirement, right? How you can able to do that? Can you please write a small program for that? What is that, sir? From math import pi. From math import pi, because I'm going to use pi value, right? Next, sir, x is equal to, or r is equal to int of input of enter radius of circle. Enter radius of circle radius I'm getting. Now print area of circle. Area of circle is, what is the value, sir? Pi r square. Pi into r. Pi into r square. Can you please tell, sir? R double square to like this. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? Pi r square. What is this one, sir? Double star means r square only, power operator, right? Okay, like now can you please have a look once? Yes, man. Enter radius of circle 10. Then automatically area of circle is 314, like this, right? Enter pi r square. Enter, sir, radius of the circle is some 5 I'm taking. Then automatically 78 point and so on. Okay, that's all. This is now you are slowly entering into Python world. Are you getting? You are slowly entering into what are various concepts, small chota programs, how you can able to do that. Yes, you should be in a position to understand, right? Okay, that's all. There ends your second unit. Okay, operators concept, right? Now the third unit, what we have to discuss for you people. Third unit, what we require to discuss. Okay, very simple, sir. Input and output statements. Input and output statements. Sir, what are various possible ways are there to read input? Already we know input function, but there multiple options are available. All those options we require to discuss. Next, to print, we are always going to use print of a comma b comma c and so on. But what are various output functions are there? All those things we are going to discuss. Okay, like make sure, sir. Clear, right? Okay, next, just can you please cross check? I have two doubts for you people. Okay, so even from the students, open the Google. Better to have this type of hepatitis. Is it possible to see math module implementation? Internally, how the math module is implemented? I want to see source code. Regarding, I want to see the source code internally, how the math module is developed, sir, in the Python installation, where I can able to see that. Okay, this is my first question. Next, what are various, sir, possible, what are various modules available to our Python? Okay, default modules available in the Python, like you may ask, there are hundreds of modules are available, sir. Yetranyan, hundreds of modules are available. Okay, there is the people who required list, then very simple, sir. Python.org documentation. Regarding Python.org documentation, just you can able to see, sir, yes, all the predefined modules, including what functions, what variables are there, all those things you can able to see. Next, sir, how this math module is implemented, how your particular module is implemented, like, can you please analyze and please let us know, is it possible or not? In Java, we have, sir, inside JDK folder, there is one src folder is there, correct? Inside JDK folder, src folder is there, sir. Every class, suppose string is there, how the string class is implemented, I can able to see, sir, internally. Oh, this is the way how you can able to implement like that. Do you have any such type of option in the Python? Can you please let me know, so that, okay, so even if you are not going to find, please let me know. I will analyze and I will show that code. Don't worry about that. Is it possible or not? First, you have to do some R&D from this area. Clear? Okay, that's all, sir. So in the next session, we require to talk about input and output statements. 1 or 2 sessions I have to talk about that.